How can he build the website? He is not technical chap. He is not a Google chap or some TCS or Infosys that he can make the website.
Hey everyone, my name is Apurva Mishra. I'm an AI consultant.
Hi, I am Anand, her father.
And this is a series in which I'm teaching AI to my parents. It's the 13th episode of the series. And we have covered till now what AI is, what AI models are, what do they need when they go through training. Then we covered all the use cases. We explored different tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and the different use cases that they solve. And in today's episode, we want to explore website building. Honestly, like when you're using any of these AI tools, they could be used in a lot of things in your day-to-day life.
Actually, I wanted to ask you about this AI itself. I've learned a lot. I didn't know how to put across the question. You know Ravindra Uncle. He has started post-retirement. He has started a venture, a small little restaurant and all, so that he can provide food, packaged food and whatnot, all the categories of food available with them. But unfortunately, his venture restaurant is not on the prominent place on the main road. So clientele is a very big problem. And although food is good at a competitive rate and all, everything is there. But for the reason it is not prominent, how to increase the clientele and all. So can we pose a question to the AI? How can he increase clientele so that his business starts multiplying and giving him the profits and all? As of now, he's not able to get even the profit.
Interesting. Oh wow, that's interesting to know that he has started a restaurant. I think honestly, like my opinion is like social media presence in today's day and time. Like that's the most important. Like you have to be there everywhere online.
For publicity, he's already taken a lot of action. He has sent the leaflets through newspaper. He has put even 3 posters also in the prominent places and all. Everything is done, whatever was then means. But still, the things are not working that way.
Does he have like the online presence as well? Like for example, does he have a website, a restaurant website, and then
Online, how come? He is dealing with the restaurant. He is not a technician or technical chap.
obviously he can like start using like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, whatever he prefers, and like ask these questions. How do I improve my restaurant's online presence? What marketing? Like maybe like if he's like printing out posters, like what to write on it, like how to create images for it. He can use it. Like we covered all these use cases in earlier videos. Like you can do all of like the media generation, you can do image generation, video generation, you can do text generation through any of these tools. They are very amazing at that. Also about the website, you can ask these tools to also build website for you. So they're really good at that. So today let's explore the website building piece. Let's do that in this episode.
How can he build the website? He is not technical chap. He is not a Google chap or some TCS or Infosys that he can make the website.
You don't really need an engineer or like a software engineer to build a website for you anymore. So honestly, like with the presence of these tools in the last couple of years, like what it has done is it has taken all these, whatever it has learned from the internet, it has taken like a software engineer's skills, a designer's skills, and it has learned from all of those skills, all the products that are out there, and like learn to replicate that sort of like not really replicate, give you the average of all of that. So it has seen so much code that it can write code for you. You just ask it to do the task, it'll write the code for you. So you ask it to build a website, it'll write the code for the website for you. The same goes for like designing. So like all these different skills, what it has done is it has democratized. You don't need a very skilled person to build this for you. What it has learned all of that. Now you can use this technology, acquire those skills and build it. Build anything, honestly.
Can you give an example how to go about it?
Yeah. So
This is interesting you are saying.
Let me share my screen. So if you just go online and look for like website builder AI, there's so many companies which let you do that. You know, there's so many different tools. That is one of them. Lovable is like one of the popular ones. There's so many new ones also popping up. So many. It keeps on going. It keeps on going. And they keep advertising as well. Like if you're on YouTube anywhere, like they will be advertising. You want to build a website? Come to us. We'll just explore 2 of the tools today. One is Lovable. So when you sign in into Lovable, this is the name. It looks something like this. It'll ask you like, what do you want to build? You know, and I can be like, build me website. I'm just gonna say 1-page website for restaurant selling Indian. And then there is this other tool. It's again pretty similar, right? Like you have this same like chat window. So you would notice this, like as you use like different AI tools, all of them pretty much look the same right now. So like there's a chat window where you can be like, build me a website. Okay, build me a website for a restaurant selling. And then like you can choose, they also have like different models inside, so you can choose that. They have like different features as well. So like Figma is a design tool. GitHub is like, it's like, if you know what Google, you know what Google Drive, right? You push stuff to the cloud. So this is like you pushing your code to the cloud. So GitHub is that. So there are like different technical things. You don't have to like worry about that so much. You can just like send this in and like let it work on it. So like right now it's like working on your website here. So which design direction do you want? So it gave you like 3 options. You want to have a look like real Mumbai chaos, regional Indian plates. So we didn't tell it where our restaurant is located or like what the food is really about. We just said Indian street food. So like in this one, it says like it's inspired by old Bombay. So I actually like this. I could have said like maybe the button colors are, I don't like this, I don't like that.
I can further define my query accordingly.
Exactly. So it's because initially, like if you remember, like throughout the series, we have been talking about how specific your prompt needs to be, right? You need to add more details because it would tend to make mistakes because it doesn't know what you want. It doesn't know what's inside your head. So it would like try to figure that out. Otherwise, it'll come and ask you questions if it's not able to figure it out. So that's what it was trying to do. So it's like generating images for the website. So we can also like, it's saying like what all you can add. Like you can have menu section, you can have online ordering, you can have reservation. So a lot of these restaurant websites have reservation option as well, right? You can go and reserve a table for yourself on a Saturday. So he can do all of that. Like once he builds the website, people can like, it will be like a one-stop shop. They can come have a look at the menu. They can reserve a table. Maybe they can do payments as well. Like you can enable that too.
So that means once that thing is in, he's online for everything. His restaurant.
Yes.
Very good. Very good.
So
these
companies also like take care of the hosting as well. So once you build the website, you're happy with it, like how the color looks, what the text is like. You can keep iterating on, just chat with it. Once you think it's ready, you can use these tools like Lovable to like host it. So like when you go on the browser and if you look for example, my website, that's my company website. So apurvamishra.com. So this is my personal website right now, not really the company's. Companies is different. But like you went to this particular domain. So that's a custom domain for my my personal website. And when I come here, you can like come look at my other stuff as well. So this is my website. It's this domain. So you don't have to, I am hosting it in a certain way. Like I'm using GitHub. I have the domain that I bought from AWS. I'm using Route 53. You don't have to worry about the technical details. You know, it gets too technical. In this case, you just have to like, once you think your website is ready and how it looks, is like you're okay with it, you can just ask it to host it as well. So you would have to do, there is pricing for that. So you would just have to pay them and they would take care of the hosting as well. So like if his restaurant is whatever, like people can like browse that and find it and like.
Can I edit it also at later stage?
Yes.
Okay.
Once
if I want to
host it, yes, exactly.
Scalability, I can add on something.
He changed the menu. He wants to add more items to it. Yes, editable. So it's like he is the engineer, but he is doing the engineering using natural language. He's talking to this and like figuring out what he wants.
Wonderful. I was thinking of writing all the code for whatnot is involved in making our website. This is good.
So
I have just to place an order. Get me a website for these things, and it is providing me.
So it tried to add. Do you see? It's like it added find a table, skip the line, order online, like the buttons. It added the images as well. It's like
AI is already giving me all these options.
Yeah,
I can pick and choose.
Yeah, the price. Funny how it like thinks of Indian street food. You see, it's like a street stall that it added. So it's the imagination it used. Because my instruction was just one line, but you can keep your instruction more detailed, add more information, and just keep talking to it. Like even if you don't like the first iteration, even after you like what he was asking, like after you publish it and your website is online, you can come back and edit it right here.
But this website, can I keep it local also? Like restaurant is going to be used within my locality or within my city. I don't want to others to know about it or unnecessarily waste my money for hosting all that thing. Is there a provision? I just say for city A, my restaurant is there. So I make it available within that city A or something of that type. Or restrict the visibility of the same.
I'm not sure how much that will matter for him because
later on he might have
geofence it too. Yes. So my delivery is only till, or like whatever Uber does, like if the restaurant is there, the delivery is still there. what he's okay with.
And how about the opinion of the people and all that giving star or something of that type? Na? Customers, when they give their opinion, that also is there in this one.
So it wouldn't be, so if he's using those applications for like the food delivery stuff, they would take care of that. They would take care of the reviews, but he can also have the reviews on the website. What he can do is he can have a Google review page. So like when you look up restaurants on Google Maps, like food nearby or like gas stations nearby. So when you look up those restaurants, they have Google reviews. So what he can do is like he can copy paste some of the good reviews and put it on his website as well. So it looks nice. Like, oh, our restaurant is like a 5-star rating.
No, like some of these restaurants, they give that QR code, na? Take that QR code and give us a feedback. Or
Yeah, it's always to their Google reviews, I've noticed. So it's just like he has to take the link of his restaurant from Google Maps and like put that in there. And he can also like, instead of like printing out menu and wasting money there, what he can do is have this digital, like have the website and have the latest updated menu there, and like create a QR code for the web and put that on all the tables. So people can just come and scan and look at the latest menu. So you can make the price changes, you can make the item changes very quickly. You don't have to print out the menu again and again. So you save money
this is the cheaper option and with more visibility in the environment.
Yeah. It's like, it's environmentally friendly, cost effective, and very instantaneous and efficient, I would say. So this is, I would like to stop there. It went on really long. In this episode, we covered about building website. And honestly, like any business, if you're starting with a business or thinking about starting with a business, like use these tools to brainstorm ideas, how to like solve a problem. They're very useful. It doesn't matter which modality, like image, video, audio, website, technology wise, they're very amazing. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with us. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks. And watch out for my website also.